Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, today I'm bringing you all the things you need to know about the new Galaxy Watch 8 series. Let's get started. So for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, we do have 4 different versions, kind of a 5th one for this series. So first we have the 2 smaller Galaxy 8s. So this is going to be the 40mm and 44mm watches. These are your standard Galaxy Watch 8. Not too many differences in this one other than software and one new hardware feature. So all the new Galaxy Watch 8s have one new hardware feature where it can actually measure your antioxidants that are inside of you. Tell you if you have a good amount of them or you should have more things with antioxidants. It's a different measuring tool that we have now, so I'm here for any kind of update and new stuff that we can get in measurements. How useful will it be? How often people will use it is a whole nother issue. But the one that I am really excited for is Gemini is now coming to all of the Galaxy Watch 8 watches now. So this is really cool because instead of Google Assistant, you're gonna have Gemini, which is a lot better now. And the fact that with Gemini, you can actually use it via Wi-Fi connection or LTE connection, even if your phone is disconnected through Bluetooth. So I love this just because you don't necessarily need your phone with you and you can use Gemini on your own. I myself in my house have left my phone in the living room and gone to the kitchen or gone to my office. And when it disconnects, I don't like that I can't really use it as easily in terms of things with Wi-Fi. So this being connected with Wi-Fi for that purpose is a real win. But you all know what you're here to talk about, and that is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This one is one we've been waiting for. It's the return of the rotating bezel, and I think we are all here for that. The rotating bezel is the absolute best way to navigate a smartwatch ever created. It just is so smooth, so great, and something that I deeply missed from getting the Ultra. I am definitely upgrading to the Classic just for that reason alone. The Classic is going to come in 42 and 46 millimeters. So it's the 46 millimeter will be slightly smaller than the Ultra is at 47. So knowing that going in, decide on which variant you want. Now the Ultra is actually getting its own slight refresh. So not completely a new design or anything, but a new color. This one's going to come in blue and it's going to come out of the box with the new hardware feature as well as the software feature of Gemini. So it'll have those two, and the Gemini update will be coming to the older Ultras, like the one I have right now, as well as hopefully the Galaxy Watch 7 series in general. Now I will say in our briefing, they didn't talk much about the specs, so I will leave those in the comment section down below, especially the battery life of the Watch 8 Classic versus the Ultra, and the Watch 8 versus the Watch 7. Those will all be in the comment section down below as soon as I find out, so make sure to subscribe and check back later. In conclusion, I know a lot of people in our weekly show of Mobile Weekly have been waiting for a rotating bezel, and it is finally back. So this is something that I think a lot of people are gonna buy just for that reason alone. If you want the latest Samsung smartwatch with a rotating bezel, and now Gemini on board, I think it's a no-brainer. It's definitely the one to buy. I do like the black version a little bit better than the silver one. Silver one seemed a little bit plastic to me, but the black one just seemed absolutely amazing, gorgeous looking. Let me know your thoughts. Which one do you think looks better for sure in the comment section? Thank you always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.